Grab, this is videotaping.
I know, but I wish you wouldn't video me in my
Cha-cha-cha-cha. Why?
Because I don't look my best, do I? I should look my best when I cut a video and have my picture made, shouldn't I?
Don't know. Graham, you're on the videotape. Graham, you're on the taping.
Okay.
Ah! Grandma, can we look for the camcorder today?
I don't know exactly what we're going to do.
You told me yesterday that we could.
I did not. I never said that. You don't.
You said we'll see. You said we'll see.
Well, that's not the same.